Welcome! If you want to change font size in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, for the first you have to move for the settings. Right now let's go for the display, and here we have to scroll down and go for the font size and the style option. And as you can see right here we got the preview how the font size is going to change when we tap on the switcher. So let's click here, and as you can see the font is changing, and you have to pick up your favorite size. I think that I'm going to stay with this one. And right now, if you got it, just go back. And that's how to change the font on this device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.